Good afternoon, YouTube. Got another Oceaneva watch for you guys. Really short and sweet, up close and personal. This is their newest release, the Tenuis. This is an automatic calendar version of the previous version they came out with, which was just a date. We have the day of the month, day of the week, a 24-hour time indicator, and of course, day of the month. We have super lume on the hands and indices, 3/16 stainless steel construction, exhibition window showing off that Miyota movement. Dual push button deployment butterfly clasp, Oceaneva branding with their awesome logo, the trident, mirror polishing down the center links, brushed on the sides. This is an absolute killer watch, on sale right now for only $350. Throw my coupon code on top of that, get another 10% off. This is an excellent watch to add to your collection. Oceaneva watches are super well made. There's a lot of quality control involved. They are a United States-based company, and the owner has got his hands into the actual brand. What I mean by that, they just don't build watches overseas somewhere, slap their name on them. He's really involved in making sure that they're making a really nice quality, fully featured, incredible build quality watch. And if you have ever had an Oceaneva, you know that this is one you're going to want to add to your collection. Some really cool colors on this, a new color too. It's almost like an aquamarine teal. They got a bright orange. This, of course, is the brown, a couple two-tone versions, and it is just an incredible watch. Let's throw on the wrist here. I got a 7-inch wrist. I weigh about 180 pounds. This is what it looks like on me. You're looking at roughly a 40, I think it's a 43 millimeter watch. Of course, the measurements are a little different based on whether you're measuring crown or not, but just an incredible build. Get it while you can. They're limited edition to only 50 units of each color. I said in my other full featured video, which features me. If you want to check that out, I'll put the link in the description, but also, even if by the time you order, it's not maybe the color you want's not available, just get it in any color you can. You'll absolutely love this watch. Thanks for watching, folks. Link and coupon codes in the description and in the comment section. If I can help in any way, let me know. Have a great, happy holidays, and take care.